Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to deep condition my hair with Hair Mayonnaise, which is a really good deep conditioner to strengthen your roots for the postpartum period. At the moment, I'm 3 months postpartum and my hair, I'm losing my hair at the front. At the front, I've lost quite a bit of hair, it's receding. So that's normal anyway, as you know, my hormones and everything goes back to normal. Usually I use a moisturizing deep conditioner, but I really want to strengthen my hair using protein today. It's got herbal extracts, vitamins, egg protein and olive oil to condition, moisturize and strengthen damaged or over-processed hair. So my hair isn't damaged, it's just shedding because of the postpartum period. This is what it looks like a mustard yellow colour. And it's very thick. I like these thick moisturisers and deep conditioners because I've got thick hair and it really works well on my hair. Instead of using a lightweight product, I prefer to use these kind of thick products. At the moment my hair is damp, I just wash my hair. It's best to just wash your hair before putting a conditioner in. So I'm just gonna dry it a little bit. It's just slightly damp. It literally looks like mayonnaise, just yellow, more yellow. If you want to make a protein treatment, you can use raw eggs, but it's a bit too runny for me personally. But personally, I prefer a thick product. I don't want to use egg at the moment. So I like to mix it up. I'm gonna just put it in here. I'm gonna pay close attention to the front of my hair. I'm gonna use a lot. Like I said, my hair's thick, so I can put heavier products in my hair, but it's not for everyone. If you don't feel like putting thick products in, you can always make your own deep conditioner, protein deep conditioner using raw eggs and natural oils like olive oil or coconut oil. Castor oil is a really good one. But I haven't used this for a long time, so I just wanted to use it today. See, I've got so much shedding. It can freak you out, but after the first time you've had a baby, it doesn't really like phase you as much, because you know it's just a phase, it's just a stage that you have to go through anyway. Your hair will grow back. So the best thing is, as your hair is going to grow back, you want it to be healthy. So it's good to deep condition it and treat it and be gentle with your hair as it's growing back. So when I go out, I just put my hair in a bun, a very loose bun, making sure it's not too tight at the front of the hair, so I don't put too much stress in the hair. It's really relaxing just doing this. More hair, more hair. More hair is coming out. Don't worry about putting too much in. Just make sure everything is covered. Massage your scalp gently. Feels so good. Gentle. Your hand should be a sticky mess by the time you've finished. It already feels healthy. I'm going to show you how much hair has come out. That's what's come out. Doesn't look like that much. It's usually a lot more. This is today's hair loss. Right, so now I'm just going to tie my hair up, cover it with a heat conditioning cap. If you don't have one, or if you don't like using heat conditioning caps, you can always use a towel and cover your hair, or use cling film and wrap your hair and leave it on for longer than what I'm going to do today. You should only apply heat for 10 minutes. Look who's here! Leo! Let's say hi! He's 3.5 months now. He's getting so big. And he's starting to put his head up. Isn't it? A little bit. Yeah. So he's gonna sit in his baby chair. Yes, you are. You gonna watch Mummy condition her hair? Yeah. Yeah. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yeah. Yes. There we go. What's that? Right, time's gone off. Okay. All done. If you're going to use the heat cap, make sure you don't leave it on longer than 10 minutes because you don't want to over moisturize your hair. I'm going to wash my hair now. Oh, Leo's getting a little bit fussy. I've got some more hair coming out. I know, baby. I know. So now I'm going to wash my hair and moisturize it. So I've just washed my hair. I feel softer. And my curls are more defined. And they feel stronger as well. And it smells good. Still smells like the Hair Mayonnaise. So in this bottle I've got jojoba oil, coconut oil and olive oil. So this is my own mix of oils. I'm just going to put it on my scalp. yep, I'm all done. I've conditioned my hair and I'm happy with the result. This is an unsponsored video, by the way. So I needed that deep condition. Thanks for watching my video and have a lovely week. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.